Hey, what's up, StormX holder? So this is good news for StormX holder, absolutely, because the previous days StormX has very badly falls down exactly, but this time they changed occur and positive. So therefore, I am very excited because they're starting moving up. What's my prediction? What's my target? What's the new target of StormX exactly? I tell you, I share my opinion and this video. This time you can see here, my friend, all crypto market very badly falls down, but Ethereum also going up. But this time you can see here, all crypto market very badly falls down, my friend. Dogecoin is also one of them today falls down, my friend. So why? How is it possible to StormX has gone up? I tell you, my friends, to please don't sell it in my previous video. Please, good time is coming soon. Exactly today is good day, my friend, for StormX holder. So congratulations, everyone. Let's get start the prediction of StormX. But please, before I get started, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep touch with us. I guide you every time. I tell you every latest news and every shock news every time, my friend. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for like this video, my friend. This time you can see here the last 1 hour change occur minus 0.71%. Absolutely, they pale us down again. But in the last 24 hours, they gone very badly, very gone upward, my friend, very fastly moving up. So this time also they moving up, my friend. If you can check out this time, they also moving up, my friend. So I hope in upcoming days they also moving up. So exactly this time you can see the price has also decreased very badly, but I hope in upcoming days they're moving up. So let's see the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24 hours. Absolutely, this is very important for my viewers, my holder, my brother, my friend to see this change occur, my friend. Okay. Oh my goodness, absolutely, I am right. In the last 24 hours, they change occur plus 1.62%. So this is good news for everyone. And this is the circulation. You can see here after affairs they take a jump. You can see here this is the circulation, and after affairs they also jump again, my friend. So if this circulation they're moving up, then upcoming days they're also moving up like a rocket. I hope they go up again. So please wait for a good time. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. And the target, my friend, is 0.1 US dollar. I hope they hit 0.1 US dollar. So what you say, they can hit it 0.1 US dollar at the end of this month. I hope they can hit it. My opinion is very good. My expectation is very good from that. My opinion is to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care, StormX holder. Subscribe this channel and like this video.